Hey guys, this is Christine from Sugar Pepper Press, and I thought I would make a quick video on how to find different things in the shop. So I have logged out of my seller account and into a different account so that I could show this to you the way that you would see it. When you get to my shop, you'll see I have the features. It's just different things that I put up there. And then you can actually sort, well, one is anything new this week will always pop up under new this week. So you'll be able to see those. And then these different categories here, I'll probably be rearranging this a bit, but I try to keep it pretty standard. And when you see something, for instance, this new cottage folio that I have, this is from the Beside Still Waters collection. And when you go down and say learn more about this item, I always try to make sure that I put the full collection link right here. So when you click on the full collection link, it's going to bring up everything that's associated with that number in my shop. So that number for this collection is SP2640. Now you might be thinking, well, how would I know that? This is super easy. When you find something that you like, if you look here at the end, you'll see that every one of my products that is in a collection or that has multiple items to it has a number. It's usually SP something. For this year, any releases in 2026, I'll start with 26. So you can actually just take that. If I happen to not have the link in here like I usually try to do, you can actually take that and go back to my shop. So just click where it says Sugar Pepper Press, and you can pop that number right here in the search bar and then hit search, and it will bring up anything in that collection. And that works for every collection in my shop, unless for some reason I mislabeled it, and that is a possibility, although I usually go and fix those as soon as I find out about it. So that is how you can navigate around to finding different things in my shop. I hope it's helpful. Talk to you soon. Bye.